Now we will see how to put course summary and change course image. So for that, you need to go to the dashboard as an admin, then select your course, in the course where you want to make changes. Now go to course administration and setting. Here you will see all the details: course name, course short name, course category, etc. So just scroll down and go to description. Here you will see course summary. So let's say this is an English beginners course. So I'll just put a short summary so that whoever is taking this course, they will come to know how to, or like what is the course about, and that's how you can, tell them. This could be either a text, a video, or an HTML, anything. So all those options you can put from this menu bar over here in this uh, course summary. So let's say if you want to make all this text as bold, I can do that. You want to put image here, you can do that as well, or I'll show you another way where to put course image. That also you can do. You can put a video also over here. You can put a link also that navigates to some other page or any other, site or YouTube video or anything. So you can put summary according to your requirement, and you can design it as per your requirement. You can put bullet points, you can put number points, you can align text as you want, anything that you want to edit. You can record your voice, record your video, etc. So that can be done from here, a course summary. Now what we'll do, we will put the image over here. So let's say I have a demo course image. So what I'll do, for now I'll just drag and drop here. Now this image is here. So let's say how this looks. So let's just save and display. Now go to dashboard, go to my courses. So you can see demo course. Now when you click on this, uh, let me change the role and see it as a student, how it's visible as a student. So what I'll do to see as a student, as admin, I'll go to my profile. Here on the top right corner, I'll click it and say switch role to. From here, I'll select student. Now I can see this dashboard as a student. So I'll go to English course. And I'll click here. So since I'm already part of this course, I might not see the summary. So what I'll do, first I'll remove myself from this course and then I'll view it. So I'll go back to this. I'll unenroll myself first. And then I'll go here. I'll say courses. I'll say grade 1 course. Yeah. Now you can see the summary is displayed. So summary is displayed when you are not part of the course. So that gives you an idea like how to, or what the course is about. Otherwise, if you're already in a course, then the summary will not be displayed. So I'll return to my normal role here. And yeah, I'm back to normal role, and we'll see how we can, make it better. So I have courses, categories, two categories. I have grade 1 category in which I have English. So just click English here. Yeah. Now let me turn to student. Now I'm a student. Yeah. So this is how I can see had my course summary and course images. So let's try to view this as a student. Let's say log out. This is already available, like the courses that you create are generally visible on the dashboard before logging. If you want to remove this, that also we can see it in later parts. It's a login. I'll say student one. It's a login. Okay, dashboard, courses, English. Okay, so as a student, here I see the course is designed for learners who are starting their journey with English language it focuses on. So this is the summary and this is the course image. Now I can change the layout also. That again depends how I want to do it. So this is how you change summary and put image to your course.